Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm extremely excited to showcase the Huawei Mate 40 Pro co-engineered with Leica technology, including the app gallery from Huawei. This has 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of ROM, Android 10, it's the open source version, and EMUI 11. So we'll get this booted up. Comes with a nice case. It's a clear case. This is the Mystic Silver color. Has a waterfall screen, 6.76 inches. There's some information in here, information packet right there. And then it has a SIM eject tool. So this has SIM eject, and it also has regular SIM, and it has an eSIM, so that's interesting for this. One of the first models I've used with an eSIM from Huawei. And because it's not available here directly in the US, you get the European charger right here. And now what's special about this is it's a 66 watt wall charger. That is very fast. That is definitely more than the MacBook Air, which only charges at 30 watts. And then they include the USB-A to USB-C charging and data cable. And then you also get a headset. It's a wired headset, but nice nonetheless. And most of these other companies do not give you headsets anymore. Comes with a bunch of apps pre-installed, and these will get updated as the system is updated. Like I said before, you have the app gallery from Huawei. So you also have pedal search, and pedal search allows you to find apps for your phone. And it's like side-loading Android apps on your phone. And some other cool, interesting aspects of the phone. It has 2 cameras at the top. And then on the back, it's the Mystic Silver, so it looks really cool. Has a nice sheen and shine to it. You have 4 cameras on the back and multiple LED flash right there. And on the side, you have the volume button and you have the power button. You also have a digital volume button. So if you tap twice on the side, you get the digital volume control right there. And some more details about this phone. Comes with a 50 megapixel camera, like I showed on the back, 8 gigs of RAM, 4400 milliamp lithium battery. It has 5G. It also has the Kirin 9000 5G 5 nanometer chip. Unfortunately, it does not come with Google Play services, but with the pedal search, you can find almost all the apps that you would need for this phone. And they're coming out with new apps all the time. So bunches of things going on. We like the colors of the screen. It has an OLED screen, HDR10, and it's a 90 hertz refresh rate, so we're very excited about that. Octa-core CPU, and there is a memory slot. It's nano memory from Huawei. It's 256 gigs max that you can insert, but this comes with 256 gigs. And the file system uses the UFS 3.1. So like I said on the back, it's 50 megapixel camera. Get to some of the stats about that. So that's the main camera. Then you have a 12 megapixel camera. That's a periscope, telephoto lens and camera. 5x optical zoom, a 20 megapixel ultra wide camera, and all of them have Leica optics. You can record in 4K at 30 and 60 frames a second. And on the front, you have a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the second camera is a time of flight 3D camera. So that's what they offer for camera technology in the Mate 40 Pro. You can also tap on the screen, double tap to bring it up, and then swipe to open. So it's very easy to use in that respect. I used this phone on a trip recently to take photos, and it automatically switched between modes when it was initiated with Master AI. So it recognized the scene, and it offered tips on what I could do to make and take better photos and videos. So I like that very much. It comes with Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 802.11a, BGN, AC, and Wi-Fi 6. So that's very cool. And it has Wi-Fi hotspot technology. It comes with NFC and an infrared on the top, so you can control other devices. It offers 66-watt fast charging, 50-watt fast wireless charging, and 5-watt reverse wireless charging. This is the Mate 40 Pro from Huawei in Mystic Silver. Very nice. I like the color a lot. They do have some other colors as well. This is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.